So this video is for anybody that's trying to figure out if they can get their real estate license, even though they've been arrested. And maybe you know, after you turn 18, you caught a little petty case, maybe 2 petty cases, or maybe you caught a few big cases. Maybe you're a felon. So the answer to that question is yes, you can still get it. The only stipulation, the only thing that can stop you from getting it is if you commit fraud. So if you commit fraud and you've been arrested for that before, then that will stop you from, you know, being approved for getting it. But if you've been arrested before for other stuff, you know, it can be, you know, carrying guns, selling drugs, stealing cars, whatever, merchandise, whatever. It don't even matter. Maybe even murder. Who knows? You can get your license. You can get your license. So this is a really good thing for somebody to do that does have a record. Why? Because if you're like me, you don't like to sell yourself to anybody. So I don't like to go to interviews and tell and basically explain to somebody why I feel like I would be a good candidate for their company. The way I feel is, you should be happy I even want to come work here. Maybe it's not a good attitude to have, but listen, it is what it is. I work where I work at now. So it got me where I'm at now. That's what I'm trying to say. So you know, I don't work for nobody anymore. So I work for myself. I have another job that I do, but I don't have to be there. I'm on the clock right now, but I'm at home and I own a business. So a separate business, like a tire shop. And I don't have to be in any of those places. I'm home right now, chilling. So I mean, it's all on what you want to do, how you want to create it. You know, if you want to work all day, and that's what you like, by all means, do you. But anybody that got any questions and comments concerning getting your real estate license, now mind you, this information is for Pennsylvania. It's where I live. Now, if you live somewhere else, you need to find out with your state what are the laws concerning this. I mean, 9 times out of 10, it'll probably be a little parallel, you know, the same to what's going on over here in Pennsylvania. But just find out with your state, and if it's a go, then give it a try, man. You got nothing to lose. I did it, you know, and I come from the slums, just like, you know, I come from the hood, the slums. You know, I was doing drugs, all of that, while practicing for my test. Failed my test a couple of times because I'm taking stuff I shouldn't be taking, and it's messing with my memory, you know, when it comes time for testing. So it's a lot of nonsense that I went through and that I did to myself. But, you know, to each his own. Everybody learns their own way. So anybody, you know, any questions or comments that you may have, let me know, man. Subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and let me know what's going on.